a strategic marketing approach that relies on analyzing and utilizing data to guide decision-making. This approach uses insights from various data sources, such as customer behaviors, preferences, demographics, and interactions, to design, implement, and optimize marketing campaigns. The goal is to create more personalized, efficient, and effective marketing efforts. Key components of data-driven marketing: data collection, gathering data from website analytics, social media platforms, customer surveys, and purchase histories. Data analysis, using tools and techniques. Audience segmentation involves dividing the target audience into smaller, more specific groups based on shared characteristics, such as age, location, or buying habits. Benefits of data-driven marketing: improved customer experience. Personalization helps meet customer needs more effectively. Higher ROI. Campaigns are optimized based on data, reducing waste and increasing effectiveness. Informed decision-making. Marketing strategies are based on evidence rather than intuition. Better targeting. Marketers can reach the right audience at the right time with the right message.